right here, for an example, so let's say you were in this trade and then it's rallying to the upside. Can you see that while it's rallying to the upside, it's creating a high, a low, high, low, high, low, and this is 1 minute time frame, low. What I do in this case is I'll literally start trailing my stop loss to this low, 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 and to this low. So that
You,
the moment price does this, it will take me out. Can you see that we broke
mm,
structure, retested, and then crashed, and then just dropped?
yes.
Right here
Then
would have
my
been
que
my stop loss.
then okay, so then my question is, could we trust the 1 minute time frame? Because it could do a lot. Like it could broke this stop loss. It could broke this structure, this one, then maybe go back again because we're on the 1 minute. So could we trust the 1 minute structure?
So most of the time you can't trust the 1 minute structure, most of the time. The only reason why I use this is because number one, I'm in profit. I don't want the market to reverse and wipe my profits. Number two, you can see that we mitigated a fair value gap. There's a fair value gap here. We mitigated this fair value gap. So anything can happen from here, and everything here is low resistance. So I'm already seeing a lot of telltale sign that this could drop. First is the fair value gap. Secondly is the low resistance. So instead of me trying to just act like James Bond and say this is not gonna drop, it's gonna keep going higher. What I do is, and I'm in profit, I'm nearly about to, make some good money from the market. Why would I risk losing it? I would rather trail that stop loss and take whatever the market gives me eventually and get out. And even if it takes me out and still continues higher, it's better than nothing because now you're left with nothing. Price coming down here, you're left with nothing. But if you had gotten taken out here, you still have like 300 from that trade. Minimum, you still have $300 profits. So living with 300 is better than living with nothing. And sometimes in trading, you'll be like, oh, I should have held this longer. I should have done this, done that. Just do whatever you can to leave the market always with profits.
Mhm.
So another thing you can do is when you're seeing that you're getting close to passing your evaluation, is remaining a few dollars, scale out
Mhm.
50%, close 50% of the trade. Just close 50% of that trade and then trail your stop loss. Start trailing your stop loss. Start trailing the stop loss. It's better it takes you out at break even or at a little profit than taking you out at a loss.
Yes, exactly.